Welcome to our virtual vacation to Italy. Today we will take you on a journey through the beautiful landscapes, rich history, and delectable cuisine of this enchanting country. So sit back, relax, and let us transport you to the breathtaking sights and flavors of Italy. As you arrive in Italy, you are immediately greeted by the vibrant colors of the Mediterranean Sea, the rolling hills of Tuscany, and the charming cobblestone streets of ancient cities. The beauty of Italy is truly unmatched, and you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you explore this stunning country. Our first stop on this virtual vacation is to check into a luxurious hotel in the heart of Rome. The Grand Hotel Plaza is a 5-star accommodation that exudes elegance and sophistication. From the moment you step inside, you are surrounded by opulent design, impeccable service, and stunning views of the city. The rooms are beautifully appointed with plush furnishings, marble bathrooms, and all the amenities you could ever need for a comfortable stay. For those seeking a truly unique experience, consider booking the Dolce Vita Suite, which offers a private terrace with panoramic views of Rome, perfect for enjoying a sunset aperitivo. Additionally, the hotel's rooftop bar offers a picturesque view of the city, ideal for a relaxing evening drink. After settling into your luxurious hotel, it's time to explore the historic city of Rome. The Colosseum stands majestically against the skyline, a reminder of the grandeur of the Roman Empire. This ancient amphitheater once held gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, and today it remains an iconic symbol of Rome's enduring legacy. As you wander through the narrow streets of the city, you pass by ancient ruins, picturesque piazzas, and bustling markets selling fresh produce and handmade goods. Be sure to visit the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome, where political, commercial, and social activities once thrived. Next, make your way to the Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world. Here, you can explore St. Peter's Basilica, one of the largest churches in the world, and climb to the top of its dome for a breathtaking view of Rome. Don't miss the Sistine Chapel, where you can marvel at the stunning frescoes by Michelangelo, including the famous The Creation of Adam. For art lovers, a visit to the Vatican museums is a must, housing one of the most impressive art collections in the world. Continue your exploration to the Pantheon. It is an architectural masterpiece and one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. As you step inside, look up to the oculus, the central opening in the dome which lets in natural light and rain. Nearby, you'll find the charming Piazza Navona, a bustling square filled with street artists, cafes, and the beautiful Fountain of the Four Rivers. No visit to Italy is complete without indulging in the delicious cuisine that the country is famous for. For dinner, we recommend dining in Trastevere, a charming neighborhood in Rome known for its traditional Roman trattorias and quaint cafes. Here you can savor authentic dishes such as pasta carbonara, risotto alla milanese, and tiramisu, all paired with a glass of local wine. Consider visiting Da Enzo L29, a beloved local spot famous for its Roman-style artichokes and pasta dishes. The atmosphere is cozy and inviting, making it the perfect place to experience the flavors of Rome. For a more upscale dining experience, head to La Pergola, Rome's only 3 Michelin star restaurant located at the Rome Cavalieri Hotel. Here, Chef Heinz Beck serves up exquisite dishes that blend traditional Italian flavors with modern techniques, offering a dining experience that is both memorable and delicious. Next, we make our way to the picturesque city of Florence, known for its Renaissance art, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage. As you stroll along the banks of the Arno River, You are surrounded by the beauty of the city, with its iconic Duomo, Ponte Vecchio, and Uffizi Gallery. Florence is a feast for the eyes, with every corner revealing a masterpiece of art and history. Don't forget to climb to the top of Piazzale Michelangelo for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. In Florence, we recommend staying at the Hotel Lungarno, a luxurious boutique hotel located along the banks of the Arno River. From your room, you can enjoy stunning views of the Ponte Vecchio and the historic city center. The hotel's elegant design, impeccable service, and gourmet dining make it the perfect place to relax and unwind after a day of exploring Florence. Each room is adorned with original artworks, making your stay feel like a night in a private gallery. For an exceptional dining experience, visit the hotel's Michelin-starred restaurant, Borgo San Jacopo, where you can savor creative Italian cuisine while overlooking the river. Start your exploration of Florence at the Duomo, officially known as the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Climb to the top of Brunelleschi's dome for a spectacular view of the city. And don't forget to admire the intricate facade and stunning interior. Next, head to the Uffizi Gallery, home to an incredible collection of Renaissance art, including masterpieces by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's oldest and most famous bridge. Lined with jewelry shops and offering picturesque views of the Arno River. Visit the Palazzo Vecchio, the historic town hall of Florence, and explore its grand rooms and impressive art collections. For a more serene experience, wander through the Boboli Gardens, a beautiful park behind the Pitti Palace, filled with statues, fountains, and manicured landscapes. From Florence, we venture out into the rolling hills of Tuscany, where vineyards, olive groves, and medieval villages dot the landscape. Take a scenic drive through the countryside, stopping at vineyards for wine tastings, visiting historic towns such as Siena and San Gimignano, and marveling at the beauty of the Tuscan countryside. Siena's Piazza del Campo, where the famous Palio horse race is held, and San Gimignano's medieval towers are must-see sights. In Siena, visit the stunning Siena Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture with its intricate facade and beautiful interior. Tuscany is a place of tranquility and natural beauty, where you can relax and rejuvenate your soul. Consider taking a hot air balloon ride over the rolling hills and vineyards for a unique perspective of the region. Visit the town of Montepulciano, known for its Vino Nobile wine, and explore its historic streets and wine cellars. For a truly unforgettable dining experience in Tuscany, we recommend visiting a traditional agriturismo, where you can taste authentic Tuscan cuisine made with fresh local ingredients. Enjoy dishes such as ribollita, peachy pasta with wild boar ragu, and bistecca alla fiorentina, all paired with a glass of Chianti wine. Consider visiting Fattoria Poggio Alloro, a working farm where you can enjoy a meal with ingredients straight from the source. The rustic charm of the agriturismo, the warm hospitality of the hosts, and the delicious flavors of the food will leave you with memories to treasure forever. For a unique culinary experience, try a cooking class where you can learn to make traditional Tuscan dishes yourself. Many agriturismos and cooking schools in the region offer classes where you can pick fresh ingredients from the garden and learn to prepare a multi-course meal under the guidance of a local chef. This hands-on experience is a wonderful way to connect with the local culture and cuisine. As our virtual vacation to Italy comes to an end, we hope that you have enjoyed the sights and experiences that this beautiful country has to offer. Italy is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty, and we encourage you to visit in person one day to truly immerse yourself in its magic. Until then, keep dreaming of Italy, and may the memories of this virtual vacation stay with you forever. Thank you for joining us on this virtual vacation to Italy. Stay tuned for more virtual vacations to destinations around the world. Comment what country you want to see next.